In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your 350Z emblems. I'll be using these tools to remove the old emblems. To get the emblem off, you use your tool, go underneath the emblem, and begin prying it off. For the new one, you have to peel this little sticky layer off and then just put it on. And this one is a little bit bigger than the OEM one, so I'm going to do my best to cover up all the old adhesive. So I believe that's straight. Go ahead and push it down. So after applying pressure, you should be good to go. So this is what it looks like with this new one on. Now let's take off these and add the black 350Z one. So I thought these would be harder to take off, but they actually turned out to be easier. What I'm doing is using a bit of my fingernail and getting under there, and then using the tool to go underneath my fingernail and pry the rest of it off. And these are really simple to take off. Probably took me like 45 seconds. Now I'll just go in with this and try and strip off the rest of this adhesive. So I got all the old adhesive off that I possibly could. And now I'm gonna put these black ones on. So when taking this off, it has tape already on it. And you just peel the excess off and then peel this little tab off. And you should be good. Here's the 5. And let's do the 0.
Just 1 week.
And lastly, we have the Z. So I'm all done with the rear, and I think it looks a lot better. And the front is the same process. You just get underneath it and begin prying it all off. So I got it really loose, and so I'm gonna take it off. Now, I'll be trying to get the rest of this adhesive off, just like the other two. Most of the old adhesive is now off, and I'll be applying the new one.